come to awakening democracy in India. My only dream is how can our democracy can flourish. The success of our democracy depends on our actions. We should analyze every day to ourselves what good things we are performing in the best interest of our democracy. When our democracy is judged from different points of view, we think that we are progressing. For example, in the index of education, where do we stand? What is difference between our education system and the education system of China and America or all other developed countries? Where are we lacking? We have to make this self-analysis. If we do not make this self-analysis, we will not be able to progress. So this is our firm determination that we must judge ourselves that where do we stand? How do we guide our children? How do we guide our youth? How do we provide them opportunity? It all depends on our decision makings. There is no place for indecision. There is no place for doubt. There should be clarity of thought so that our youths can get better education, better chance in their life. Because life is too short to be too little, or it is too little to be short. We can say so. But my point again here is this: how can we make our democracy strongest in the world? Because whatever actions we undertake today, they will give fruit tomorrow. So our actions must be honest. We must be honest to ourselves, because honesty is the best policy. If we do not practice what we preach, we cannot progress. Where do we stand in the index of our health care? So many people, if we go through our villages in rural areas, there are still so many villages in our country where we do not have quality health care. So there must be good quality health care for all brothers and sisters living in rural areas. So dear brothers and sisters, what is needed is good health of our citizen, good education of our citizen, and good thinking of our citizens. If we waste our time in thinking about so many negative things, we cannot progress. We have to think logically so that India can progress. India will progress, I am sure. Our democracy will flourish, I am sure. And we will continue to work hard despite our diversities, despite our ups and downs, despite adversity, despite hard knocks, despite all odds. We are prepared to work hard so that India can progress. India will progress. India is a democratic country and all citizens have right and duties to perform. So it is up to us if we realize it or we fail to realize it. So my dear brothers and sisters, I tell you that let us teach our children good moral values that they should respect one and all in our society. There is no place for